Are you tired of the same old gap-fill exercises when teaching English through songs? You know there's a better way to engage your students, but creating captivating lessons takes time and resources you don't have. Imagine having instant access to a treasure trove of innovative, song-based lesson plans that will transform your teaching. A user-friendly platform packed with fresh ideas and ready-to-use resources that save you time and energy. Plus, you'll connect with a global community of passionate educators who love teaching English through songs. Picture your students completely immersed in interactive, song-based lessons that seamlessly develop critical language skills and 21st century competencies. You'll feel like a teaching superstar, knowing your activities not only captivate students, but also prepare them for success in exams and beyond. With the support of a global teacher community, you'll have a constant source of inspiration. Introducing the exclusive Subscriber Club, your golden ticket to innovative, song-based English teaching resources. This platform empowers you with the tools to create unforgettable learning experiences for your students. As a member, you'll access a vast library of creative, engaging, and expertly crafted song-based lesson plans, updated monthly. With 17 unique sections covering various language skills and learning objectives, you'll always find the perfect activity. ESL Song Analysis. Explore song lyrics and uncover hidden meanings. Musical grammar pieces. Reinforce grammar through song lyrics. Musical sentences. Enhance comprehension and listening skills. Lyrical reading. Analyze song lyrics and deduce messages. Musical insights. Interpret and discuss song verses. Musical word search. Engage with song themes through word puzzles. Musical crosswords. Solve crosswords based on song lyrics. Musical word connections. Build vocabulary through word associations. Song-based conversation class. Foster meaningful conversations. Musical interview. Formulate interview questions for singers. Musical listening practice. Improve listening skills with song extracts. Grammar clip challenge. Identify vocabulary and grammar in song clips. Song pieces. Analyze verb tenses and grammar in song extracts. Musical video match. Match videos with music pieces and create lyrics. Musical lines. Discuss and interpret initial song lines. Watch and catch. Identify grammar and vocabulary in music videos. Musical neighborhood. Explore living environments through songs. The exclusive Subscriber Club is always growing, with new resources added regularly. You'll save time and resources while giving your students engaging, interactive learning experiences that will inspire a lifelong love of learning. To learn more about how the exclusive Subscriber Club can transform your English language teaching and join this incredible community, just click the link below the video. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock a world of possibilities for your students and elevate your teaching to new heights.